Get ready to cozy up with a cup of ginger tea. It's your cough's worst enemy. Here's the recipe. Slice some fresh ginger, toss it into a cup, and pour hot water over it. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. You can add honey or a squeeze of lemon for extra flavor and soothing goodness. Take a deep sip, feel the warmth, and let ginger's natural anti-inflammatory properties do their thing. It's like a comforting hug for your throat. Warm up your day and wave goodbye to that cough. Subscribe for daily quick tips.